Hi guys, another teacher coach moment. I come on today to talk about the place of being uncomfortable. And when I think about just being in a place of being uncomfortable and the suffering, and I use that word lightly, but there's some suffering that can come when we're uncomfortable. I want to encourage you today to think about the fact that you can use the suffering as a new beginning. The suffering can teach you how to set boundaries. The suffering can teach you how to create new opportunities. The suffering can teach you how to see yourself in a new version. You have to allow the moments when we feel uncomfortable, when we have those places of uncertainty, to push us towards where we're supposed to be. In everything, there's a lesson to be learned. We have to have the mindset to think about, what am I supposed to learn in this moment? Whether I feel like I'm suffering, whether I feel unhappy, I am uncomfortable, I am uncertain. Because of that, whatever the circumstances are, allow the suffering to lead us to our new beginning. That is my word for today. I hope this encourages you as I continue to think about the roles and what we're doing in this rebuilding process in education. I hope that I am one of the people that you can look at that says, you know what, today I can keep going. And that's why I say today, no matter what's going on, we reject anything that is not in divine alignment that puts you in your whole purpose. And what I mean by that is that you being whole within yourself, that your spirit, your soul, and your flesh is in alignment to see the manifestations in your life.